This project assessed the water quality of El Ceibo stream in Victoria, Entre Ríos, Argentina, using GLOW protocols. Physicochemical parameters, soil characteristics, land cover, and aquatic macroinvertebrates were analyzed across 3 sites and habitats. Biotic indices were applied to evaluate ecological conditions and human impact, highlighting differences between rural and urban sections of the stream.
The Department of Victoria, within the province of Entre Ríos in Argentina, has small streams along it that flow into as delta to the Paraná River. The stream El Ceibo is located in this department, and it originates from water springs, and it finally flows into the Victoria River. The Ceibo stream separates the urban and rural areas, and along its course receives runoff from an open-air landfill and effluents from 2 slaughterhouses. The relief of the region is a rolling landscape of under 100 meters, and it corresponds to an area of wet grasslands that were replaced by agro-ecosystems or by different urban centers. The numerous watercourses that run over them with their garrully forest make the landscapes a place with its unique properties.
Site 1. It is located farther away from the city, before the streams enter the urban area, essentially being a rural area. Site 2. It was selected for being downhill from the municipal open-air trash dump and a slaughterhouse. Site 3. It is located before the confluence of the Coral stream with the stream El Ceibo, as such preventing the incorporation of tributaries that come from other sectors of the Victoria Department.
Our research questions are:
the waters of the Ceibo stream present biochemical modification as they pass through the urban area of the city of Victoria, Entre Ríos, Argentina? How do microinvertebrates vary along the study section of the stream?
Our hypotheses are:
the waters of the Ceibo stream present biochemical modification from their entry into the city of Victoria, Entre Ríos, Argentina, to their exit. Macroinvertebrate species differ according to the habitat type. The number of macroinvertebrate taxa varies along the study section of El Ceibo stream.
Our general objective is to characterize the water quality of El Ceibo stream through the analysis of physicochemical and biological variables. And our specific objectives are to compare biochemical characteristics of El Ceibo stream water in 3 sections along its course, to evaluate 3 species in the area surrounding the stream, to determine the percentage of exotic species at each study site. Different GLOW protocols were used in the methodology: biosphere, hydrosphere, pedosphere, and atmosphere protocols. We implement hydrosphere protocols for transparency, temperature, pH, and counting macroinvertebrates, along with mapping, geopositioning, and land cover. We also took samples of the stream bank where we checked its fertility and pH.
Regarding the determination of nitrates, nitrates, and ammonium, it can be observed that nearly all values increase progressively from Site 1 to Site 3, with the greatest increase occurring between Site 2 and 3.
Water pH increases slightly from Site 1 to Site 3. Additionally, at all 3 sites, pH values recorded in spring are slightly lower than those measured in autumn. Transparency is highest at Site 1 and decreases progressively along the course of the stream. Transparency values are higher in autumn than in spring. Water temperature shows seasonal variations that fluctuate according to changes in air temperature.
At sites 1 and 3, pools concentrate the highest number of individuals. In contrast, Site 2 shows the opposite pattern, with riffles hosting more individuals than pools. In terms of taxonomic richness, Sites 1 and 2 show similar values, whereas Site 3 exhibits markedly lower richness. Regarding abundance, Site 1 records the highest number of individuals, followed by Site 3 and Site 2.
Ephemeroptera is present at all 3 sites, with the highest abundance at Site 1, while Trichoptera occurs at Sites 1 and 2. The VMWP index indicates a progressive decline in water quality from Site 1 to Site 3. EPT index values at sites 1 and 2 show high percentage, whereas site 3 presents a considerably lower value.
Although nitrate, nitrite, and ammonium levels are acceptable for recreational waters, nitrite and ammonium increase as the stream flows through the urban area, though they remain within normal limits. According to the BMWP index, Site 1 shows acceptable biological conditions, while Sites 2 and 3 present doubtful conditions. The EPT index indicates excellent water quality at Sites 1 and 2, but only acceptable quality at Site 3, reflecting a higher presence of pollution-sensitive species in the first two sites. Pools concentrated macroinvertebrates at Sites 1 and 3, while Site 2 showed a different pattern, likely due to rainfall or recreational disturbances. Overall, Site 1 had the highest abundance, and the results confirm better ecological conditions at Sites 1 and 2 compared to Site 3.
El Ceibo stream shows both biochemical modifications and variations in macroinvertebrate populations, as well as differences in the proportion of species according to habitat type, whether pools or riffles. Compared to studies conducted in other watercourses, the results obtained for the Ceibo stream are not particularly alarming. However, this does not imply that the situation does not require attention, monitoring, and preventive actions. Site 1 corresponding to the rural area, the solid waste was not observed. Site 3 in the urban area, presence of solid waste of anthropogenic origin can be observed, such as polyvinyl chloride plastic bottles and a large quantity of polyethylene bags. Although the results are not conclusive, the indices indicate that there are parameters that need improvement. Actions are required, along with more adequate control over waste management in the city, including waste generated by the general population, its final disposal at the municipal open-air landfill, as well as industrial waste.